I just want to say thanks to Old Smoky and congratulations, because I'm certainly looking forward to your History Channel debut. I want to see you eating old foods. And you know what? Hopefully somewhere in there you can say, thanks for that super chat. Anyways, because of Old Smoky told me about this about 3 weeks ago. We have a Sopaco, and yes, it's a low sodium. And there is no guarantee on what you're going to get if it's low sodium or not. But I will have to say thank you, Old Smoky. For 35 bucks, you can get this beautiful box of 14 rations for 35 bucks delivered to your door. So let's get to it. Now the only reason why I'm doing this, and I know truckers are going to be extremely jealous because I'm doing an unboxing, but it's not really an unboxing. Super packed on there. Now these are a low sodium count emergency rations. They are not the same as a U.S. military ration, but all said packaging will be transparent bag. So what we have here is a, see if we can find like a date code on here. You guys can see this. 2012. I may be thinking that it's like 2022 when it expires on, or it could be a 2012 at 284th day. And we have Sopaco, reduce sodium, peelable seal. So basically, this is just what this ration is just nothing but a well, you know, it's just a military ration, a U.S. MRE with a transparent bag, not brown bag, transparent with the peelable seal. It still has the same notch. Logo, print and type, and we got some crackers. And this would be a chili and macaroni. So let's adjust this a little bit. So we have on the first meal chili and macaroni. Second meal, vegetable lasagna. A third vegetable lasagna. Beef ravioli and meat sauce. Another reduced low sodium meal. Another beef ravioli and meat sauce. Oh, yep, see? Tootsie Roll. And crackers. Biscotti and meat sauce. Tootsie Rolls. Yes, the Tootsie Rolls are famous and delicious. And crackers, we don't know what kind they are. I'm gonna guess they're reduced low sodium crackers. Obviously, Tootsie Rolls are a theme. More crackers. Chili macaroni. If that doesn't say Canadian Trucker and or Smitty and Eeyore, I don't know what does. More crackers. Just kind of hoping for some vegetable crackers, but beef ravioli. Cheese tortellini in meat sauce. I'm getting the theme that there's a lot of crackers and Tootsie Rolls and a lot of like non-salty pasta. Penne with vegetable sauce. Crumbles in spicy tomato sauce. Penne with vegetable sausage. Crumbles in. Now we're getting for real. I don't know what this is. See that? That's like chrome. That reflection. It's chrome. These are some kind of different crackers. Those are crackers and chrome. And we have another beef ravioli and meat sauce. Yes, I'm going to be sharing those. And we have a spaghetti and meat sauce. No chrome crackers. These fuckers. That bitch. Right here. That's where the money's at. I have no idea what chrome crackers are. But we're going there. And lastly, we have one more menu. Spaghetti and meat sauce. So this is what this big pile of repetitive stuff you get. But not to like make blame to that or anything about it. I just know that for $35 you can have these meals delivered at your door. Not really such a bad deal. And if I would have known about that like 3 weeks ago, by Old Smoky. And you know what? So they are low sodium, no big deal. All you need is salt. But still, these aren't like the official like US military rations, but they are packaged with everything that's in the US military ration. I mean, you can clearly see by the packaging. Little dude right there, crackers, all the contents of packages are the same contents that would be in the U.S. military ration. And so for 35 bucks, you get 14 meals delivered at your door. No tax, no shipping. 35 bucks for 14 meals. Yes, they're repetitive, but still, you can't beat it. So, all I want to say to everybody is, this is what you get for 35 bucks. A shit ton of Tootsie Rolls, a shit ton of crackers for 35 bucks. You can't beat it. 35 bucks is solid. So thank you, Old Smoky. And if you haven't checked him out, please check him out. He's got a whole new, he's Mr. Famous now, so he's got he's got some shit coming out on History Channel about eating some old foods. And check out other people like Gundog, CT, Smitty. So with that being said, all I want to say is thank you, Old Smoky, and that's my opinion.